Howdy, howdy.
How we doing?
Better today.
Are we? Okay, guys, you're good to go.
All right, see you.
No? You don't have a little bag?
Actually, do this too. Take one of the back to that.
Me and my wife.
I didn't see that in the material, the two-page rule thing that we read.
I think I'm in the wrong tournament.
No, they're just out here for Utah messing around.
I really wasn't at the casino.
No? You don't have a little bag?
Actually, do this too. Take one of the back to that.
Me and my wife do it all the time.
Morning.
Sam read The Fish Finder like his favorite book. Said, Mark, you got bait on your hook? There's a big one down there. It's a Chinook. He gunned the troller. Gave me a look. He said, we're right on him. Without missing a beat, yelled, drop your line down to 42 feet. If you don't screw up, it won't be long. Someone in this boat's gonna sing Fish On. Fish on! Fish on! Do it by the book, don't take too long. Set the hook, reel it in strong. Fish on! Fish on! Well, he surfaced once, then swam back down. Sam said he's just about 29 pounds. I said, cut him loose. That ain't gonna work. Sam said, Mark, you stupid jerk. You know they don't bite like this all the time. I say, Sam, we here on my dime. And I got a bet with my old friend Dan. I'm coming home with a 50-pounder in hand. Fish on! Fish on! I may be crazy for letting him go, but I gotta think big to collect my dough. Fish on! Fish on! Yeah! Well, the boat went silent as we set him free. Sam just sat there staring at me, smoking a burro, spitting in the sea. I was getting hungry and I had to pee. Then just as we were about to give up and go home, I felt a tug on my rod like none I'd known. It was ominous, like a monster from the deep. I say, this is the one I believe I'll keep. Fish on! Fish on! Wind your line, got to make it whirl. You can't catch a king reeling like a little girl. You got fish on! Oh, fish on! I was barely holding on when the fishmaster cried, he's dragging the boat, taking us for a ride. I knew I needed all my strength right now. Then the fish yanked my ass from the stern to the bow. But I didn't let go, though my knuckles were white. I said, fish, I'm gonna win if it takes all night. I'm reeling you in, and that ain't all. I'm mounting your fat, scaly butt on my lawn. Fish on! Fish on! Close your eyes and quote the scripture, but first get a camera and take my picture. Fish on! Fish on! Whoa, whoa. It took 3 hours to get that bastard in the boat. We were taking on water, just barely afloat. When we reached the dock and the crowd gathered round, they said, we heard on the air he was pulling you down. I said, don't believe all you hear, cause it ain't always true. I was playing that king, it's my job, it's what I do. Then we hung him from the scale for the whole world to see. He wasn't 50 pounds, he was fucking 53. Fish on! Fish on! Wanna thank my mom and thank my crew, especially wanna thank all
and a first place team winner and co-host state champion is Team Dragon Balls. They win a set of Big John downriggers, a track system for birds, and a good box of goodies. And if you guys would get your picture taken,
Vision.